This is the Admitted Student Open House. It's for all admitted students that have an option to come and get their first steps started on campus. It's important for them to come and attend the event because they get a glimpse of campus as well as get a tour and know where they're going to begin. So they'll start with check-in with their college, get their name tags, all that jazz. They can stop at our table with orientation, see if they've done their online schedule for in-person, and then meet with their colleges, stop at housing, financial aid, any resources that we have on campus. So it's a great start to coming to Ferris in the fall or summer. As a student that's coming into campus for the first time, I always tell them to stop at as many tables as they can to see all the resources that we have to offer. Especially for me, I was a first-generation student, so I didn't know nothing coming in. And it was nice to be able to come to my Admitted Student Open House, meet everybody, get familiar with campus, as well as all the resources such as the Writing Center, the Tutoring Center, as well as get to meet with your advisor for the first time.